The Business Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today. The Finance Suite is actually the only platform that offers you access to two very important aspects of obtaining money for your business. The first aspect is giving you the ability to build your business credit. Now, this is credit you can obtain quickly that's linked to your EIN, not your Social Security number. So it can be obtained without a personal credit check and regardless of personal credit quality and without a personal guarantee. The second aspect of the Finance Suite integrates with a lot of different types of loans and credit lines. Now, most lenders available today will only offer you one or two types of financial products. This limits the ability for you to get approved, the amount you get approved for, and the terms you actually receive. But the Finance Suite integrates with a significant amount of lenders, credit unions, even investors to give you the most access to every legitimate financial product that's available today. This means you have a greater chance of getting approved for financing, a greater chance of getting approved for more money than you'll typically ever see outside of the Finance Suite, and the ability to work with finance officers who negotiate to get you the best terms. So let's dive in. The first aspect is building your business credit. And on your homepage, you're able to see exactly what percent of the business credit building process you've completed. Now, the Finance Suite simplifies the business credit building process by breaking it down into 7 easy to follow steps. Each step you're led through with video training, and it's completely customized to your own experience. So let's dive in and take a deeper look. In step 1, we're going to actually help you with all aspects of building your credibility, the credibility for your business. What you might not know is that credit issuers and lenders have a secret set of standards they use to determine your approval or denial for the credit and financing you're trying to obtain. Even though you can't find out what these standards are from your bank or the credit issuers, or are they published online, the Finance Suite walks you through all aspects of your business to help make sure that every aspect meets those credit issuer and those lender guidelines so you stand the best chance of getting approved. Now, if you're already an established business, you'll go through step 1 very quickly. It'll be kind of like a checks and balance. But even if you're just starting your business, this is a perfect opportunity for you to walk through step by step everything you need to know to set up your business the right way right from the beginning. So as I mentioned, the Finance Suite is a completely customized user experience. So if you already have a business name, by clicking yes, we're going to simply ask you what that business name is, and you're able to save and continue. But let's say you don't have a business name. Well, by clicking no, you're able to obtain training on what you need to know about naming your business, also even able to access resources such as the Secretary of State records to see if the business name you like is available, even access restricted industry list so you'll know if the industry that you're going into is restricted and harder to get financing and credit for. You can even access our resources tab and get access to a source that we highly recommend that will help you with that aspect of your business setup. So in this example, My Corporation is who we recommend if you're setting up your business from scratch. You don't need to use them, but if you wanted an additional resource, you have access to one. Now that leads me to another very important point. With the Finance Suite, this isn't only a step-by-step customized solution to obtain credit and financing. You're also assisted along the way with a business advisor. Our business advisors are experts in business credit building. They will help you through all aspects of setting up your company, of building your business credit. They will reach out to you with ongoing coaching calls. They're also available to you by phone, by email, even on the bottom right here by actually accessing them through our feature where you can leave them a message and hear back from them quickly. So as we move through step 1, we walk through your business name, your business address, your entity, your phone number, your website, your email, your EIN, your licensing, all aspects of setting up your business credibly we cover in step 1. Even things like 411 listing, we actually include at no cost to you. Now, if you were to go out and list your number with 411 and use the same source we use, which is one of the only valid sources that exist to do so, you'd spend $300 a year to get your number listed with 411. But in the Finance Suite, that's actually included. We actually cover that cost for you. Now, other aspects such as setting up your business address or your business phone number, of course, are costs that you will have to incur in any aspect of owning and setting up a business. But through the Finance Suite, things like your 411 listing are actually included, and our business advisors and our step-by-step system will help you through each step of the way with setting up your business credibly. Now, after we set up your business credibly, the next thing we want to do is help you get set up with done Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian Business. So in step 2, we help you get your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet, which is available from Dun & Bradstreet at no cost. So through the Finance Suite, you're able to get your DUNS number set up. If you wanted to learn more about things like your DUNS number, again, there are these short training videos that will provide you more education and more information. So we're going to help you actually do a check for your Experian, your Equifax, and your Dun & Bradstreet account so you can actually see if you are set up with the reporting agencies already, and if not, you're able to actually get set up. Once you're set up with the business credit reporting agencies, then we help you start obtaining real usable business credit. And we do so by introducing you to vendor accounts. Vendor accounts are creditors who will give you credit even if you have none already, even if you are a startup business. And this is real usable credit that you'd like to use to actually build your company. Plus, this credit reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So you're able to get real usable credit to buy things that you're probably buying now already, such as office supplies. But in doing so, you're actually obtaining credit for your EIN number, building a credit profile, building a business credit score, and obtaining trade lines that will help you start getting more and more credit. And with each source, we describe who they report to and how often they report, what products and services they sell, exactly what you need to know to qualify. These underwriting guidelines are not listed anywhere online, but we actually go through, dig in deep, provide this information for you so you'll know you can meet the criteria before you even apply. And you can even go through and in one click apply for the actual credit. Many sources we even provide videos that will walk you through the application process. So after you obtain 5 payment experiences or 3 accounts, then what we'll do is walk you through to see what's on your business credit reports. As you start to obtain new credit, then we want to make sure you can see what's actually on your business credit reports. So we help you get set up with credit monitoring with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax directly from their websites by linking through the Business Finance Suite. You can simply come in, say you don't have monitoring, we introduce you to the options, we even provide training to you so you'll know exactly what their different options are and how they work with Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and Equifax. We even teach you how to read your business credit reports. Business credit reports are much different than consumer credit reports. They even include up to 5 business credit scores. So in this step, we're actually helping you go through and obtain training to see exactly how your business credit scores work, exactly how your business credit reports work. You're even able to obtain Experian Smart Business data at absolutely no cost. Even though that's not credit monitoring, that will give you the basics you need to know to see that new trade lines are reporting with Experian. And you can even come in and fix inaccuracies with all 3 business credit reports. So you might refer to this as business credit repair. You're coming in and any inaccurate or unverifiable accounts you see on your actual credit reports, now that you've obtained monitoring, you have the ability to come in and go through with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax and actually fix those inaccuracies. And again, you're provided with a short training video that walks you through the exact steps to do so. Now that you've done this, you're going to just continue the process of obtaining more and more credit. So we break this down into different steps because, again, credit issuers have a certain amount of trade lines that they want you to have or accounts reporting on your credit reports before they will approve you. So instead of leaving this to you to figure out, we're mapping it out step by step so you'll know which accounts you can apply for until you obtain the necessary number to move on to the next step. This is credit at places that you want to do business with. Places like Radio Shack, Amazon, Tiger Direct, Lowe's, Staples, AutoZone. And again, each of these sources we're walking through and telling you who they report to, how often they report, and their exact underwriting guidelines, and make it simple in one click to get to exactly where you need to be to start applying and to get approved. And as you progress through the steps of the Finance Suite, you'll have access to more and more real usable revolving credit. And again, at places that you probably are doing business with now anyways. Staples, Office Depot, Best Buy, Shell, almost all major commercial gas stations are actually available to get credit. Walmart, Amazon, Dell, and on and on and on. And each source again lists who they report to, what's needed to get approved, your underwriting guidelines, the description of the account, everything you need to know to apply and actually be successful. Sears, Lowe's, and on and on and on. The Finance Suite actually has more access to credit than any other platform you'll ever find. And again, this isn't for you to figure out. Even though the Finance Suite streamlines this process and makes it easy for you to go through step by step, you're assisted along the way with a certified business advisor that's an expert in building business credit, that's there to answer your questions, to reach out and even help coach you through the process. You can even have access to actual fleet cards that have higher limits that give you even more access to money to build your business. So after you've gone through, or at the same time you're going through and building your business credit, you also have the ability to obtain business loans and financing. One of the biggest problems in the financial space is that if you don't know the exact type of loan you're looking for, you're never going to know where to apply. Well, the Finance Suite fixes this problem by including all legitimate types of financing in one place. You simply fill out some information when you first get started. We take your information and cross-check it against underwriting guidelines with a lot of different sources. Credit unions, lenders, private investors, venture capital, and more is all available through the Finance Suite. And as you enter your information, you'll see all the programs that you're qualified for. You're able to apply or even learn more. And as you go through to learn more, you'll access training videos on those products, actual case studies on those products, and all the pertinent information you'd want to know up front before you apply for any financial product, such as the rates, the terms, how fast you can get money, the amount of money you can actually obtain, and exactly what you need to qualify for the financing product. Now again, even though we map out these qualifications by entering some information into the Finance Suite initially, we're already telling you all the programs you pre-qualify for and you can apply. Now the beautiful thing is that once you apply, your application is not going directly to a lender. Instead, your application is actually going to our processing team and a team of finance officers. Our finance officer's job is to talk to you and help you map out a financial blueprint, all the funding products that you may qualify for, to help you meet and exceed your goals and your needs. Then they'll go through with all aspects of helping you get the application approved, negotiating the terms, and making sure that money actually hits your bank account. So they're there to work with you in between you and the lender to make sure the lender gets the information they need to make the best decision or get you an approval, and then also to go through helping you get the most amount of money at the best terms. So if you have some type of collateral such as equipment or 401k or commercial real estate, purchase orders, account receivables, then the Finance Suite has financing options for you. The second option is maybe you have consistent cash flow. If you have consistent cash flow, then the Finance Suite has great solutions available for you where you can get money quickly. And if you can provide information or evidence of that revenue through things like tax returns, then that opens up even more options with private investors. Plus, if you have good credit or a good credit partner, the Finance Suite even offers options there through unsecured financing where you can get 0% financing to get your business even started. So even as a startup, 0% financing is available in a world where getting money for a startup is very, very difficult. The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today. It combines all aspects of helping you obtain loans, helping you obtain credit lines, even up to $100 million or more, or as low as $5,000. And it also walks you through all aspects of building your business credit, from making sure your business is set up credibly to helping you obtain and navigate your business credit reports, fix inaccuracies, to every component of building your business credit and getting high limit store and even fleet credit for your business. And you're able to monitor the progress as you go. You can even access your business profile, which will give you information about everything you've entered into the system in real time and even give you the ability to change that information. So this way you can see all the information you've entered, and if anything changes, you have the ability to edit that information on your finance blueprint, which determines your qualification for financing, and everything you've entered in each step of the Finance Suite. In the business profile section, you're even able to access and track what accounts you've applied for, if you got approved, how much you got approved, all the information that's pertinent that you're going to want to know as you navigate through the business credit building process. So again, the Finance Suite's the most comprehensive solution in the world today when it comes to getting money for your business. You could build credit for your EIN quickly that's not linked to your SSN, regardless of personal credit quality, while also accessing all legitimate types of financing, giving you the ability to get money for your business and credit for your business and be able to get money at the best terms because you have a business credit report and score built. Whether you know this or not, lenders do look at your business credit report. The same as if you apply for consumer credit, they're going to look at your consumer credit reports. In the business credit world, when you're obtaining loans, when you're obtaining credit for your business, they're looking at and using your business credit reports to determine your approval or denial and how much you get approved for and the terms you get approved for. So the Finance Suite ties these two components together of business credit financing, helping you obtain money through business credit that you couldn't get if you didn't qualify for financing, and also helping make sure that your business is set up credibly, that you know how to navigate through the business credit reports, that you can obtain credit for your business when you normally couldn't through loans, and then also giving you the ability to obtain loans to get access to the more financing than you'll ever be able to get on your own, and to do so at the best terms because you're also building your business credit at the same time. Contact us today to learn more and get your own finance suite for your business.